Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best all-new electric bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Belmonte Bikes Venom 1600W Pro 48V Lithium Dirt Bike. This bike is built for thrill seekers who crave off-road adventures. Its solid steel frame and knobby pneumatic tires provide a rugged, durable design that can handle rough terrains with ease. With a seat height of 27 inches, this bike is ideal for youth riders looking for an upgraded dirt biking experience. A standout feature here is the powerful 1600W motor, paired with a water-resistant 48V lithium battery, ensuring efficient and reliable performance even in wet conditions. In terms of performance, the Venom Pro excels with its robust motor, making it perfect for dirt tracks, trails, and rugged landscapes. The upgraded hydraulic brakes deliver precise stopping power, while the adjustable rear shock absorber enhances comfort and control during extreme rides. Additionally, the KMC Gold chain and multi-speed functionality ensure durability and adaptability for various terrains. However, the bike lacks the versatility of pedal assist modes found in other electric bikes, focusing more on the dirt bike experience than commuting or leisure riding. While the Venom Pro shines in off-road performance, it may not be the best choice for everyday commuting or city use due to its larger frame and specific design. Its price point remains undisclosed, but it's clear that this bike is targeted at riders who prioritize power and ruggedness over portability or versatility. The pros include excellent build quality, powerful motor, and upgraded safety features, while the cons are its limited use cases and relatively heavy weight. If you're an off-road enthusiast, the Belmonte Bikes Venom Pro is worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the StopSad 14-inch folding electric bike for adults. This compact and lightweight bike is designed for urban commuters who need convenience without compromising on performance. Featuring a 500-watt motor, it reaches a respectable top speed of 22 mph, making it a solid choice for quick city rides or running errands. With its 48V 12H removable battery, you can comfortably ride up to 22 miles in pedal assist mode or recharge it easily at home or the office. The StopSad electric bike stands out for its portability, weighing just 48 pounds and folding down in seconds to fit into tight spaces like car trunks or small apartments. Its 14-inch tires are perfect for maneuvering through busy streets, while the adjustable seat and handlebar provide comfort for riders of various heights. Safety features include dual disc brakes, a bright LED headlight, and a loud horn, ensuring visibility and reliable stopping power during day or night rides. However, it offers only 3 riding modes, compared to the 5 to 6 modes found in competitors, which may limit customization for certain users. Ideal for city dwellers, college students, or anyone looking for a practical and portable e-bike. The StopSad model delivers excellent value for its lightweight design and foldable frame. On the downside, it lacks the versatility for off-road adventures or long-distance travel. The pros include its compact design, efficient motor, and safety features, while the cons are its limited range and fewer riding modes. Overall, this bike is perfect for those who prioritize portability and simplicity. At number 3, we have the Nerac Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike. This versatile model combines off-road durability with the convenience of a foldable design, making it an excellent choice for adventurers on the go. Equipped with a powerful 750W motor, peak 1100W watts, and a 48-volt 13-amp-hour lithium battery, this bike delivers up to 28 miles per hour speeds and performs well on hills, trails, gravel roads, and even sandy terrain. Its 624-watt battery provides solid range, ensuring you can explore the outdoors without worrying about running out of power. The Nerac bike features a robust aluminum frame with a step-through design, allowing easy mounting and dismounting. The shock-absorbing front fork and fat tires enhance comfort and stability, while the detachable luggage rack makes it ideal for carrying camping gear or groceries. Safety-wise, it includes a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, integrated LED headlights, and dual-disc brakes with a braking power shutdown system for secure stopping. The cables are neatly routed inside the frame for a sleek and safe design. This bike is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who need a reliable and foldable e-bike for camping or trail riding. But its heavier weight, 63 pounds, may make it less portable than other folding models. The pros include its high-powered motor, durable frame, and versatile terrain capabilities, while the cons are its weight and slightly higher price point. Overall, the Narak Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike is a fantastic option for those who love adventure and need a bike that can handle it all. Coming in at number 2 is the GoTrax 20-inch folding electric bike. This e-bike is designed for versatility, combining commuter-friendly features with adventure-ready durability. Powered by a 500-watt motor and a 48-volt battery, it delivers a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a maximum range of 40 miles in pedal assist mode. The battery charges in just 5.5 hours, ensuring quick turnaround times for busy riders. Its foldable design makes it easy to store or transport, whether you're hopping onto public transit or packing it in your car for a weekend getaway. The GoTrax bike stands out with its lightweight iron frame and 20-inch tires that strike a balance between agility and stability. Safety is a priority, thanks to its dual-disc brakes, bright LED headlight, and rear reflector for nighttime visibility. The large LCD display keeps you informed about speed, battery levels, and riding modes, adding a layer of convenience for riders. While the bike performs well on urban streets and light trails, its smaller tires and rigid suspension may limit its effectiveness on rougher terrains. With its compact design and reliable range, the GoTrax folding e-bike is ideal for commuters, college students, or anyone seeking an affordable yet functional electric bike. The pros include its quick-charging battery, safety features, and portability, while the cons are its moderate power and lack of advanced suspension. Overall, this bike is perfect for those who need a sleek and practical option for city riding. Taking the number 1 spot is the Edikani 26-inch electric bike for adults. This powerhouse e-bike is packed with features that cater to riders looking for performance, versatility, and advanced technology. With a peak 1500W motor, it delivers a max speed of 34 miles per hour, making it the fastest bike on this list. Its 48-volt, 18-amp-hours removable battery boasts up to 90 miles of range in pedal assist mode, making it ideal for long-distance commuting or adventurous rides. The battery also charges quickly in about 8 to 9 hours, ensuring you're always ready to hit the road. The Edikani bike is built with a high-carbon steel frame and 26-inch fat tires for tackling diverse terrains such as sand, snow, trails, and pavement. It features a reinforced rear rack with a 330-pound capacity, perfect for carrying groceries, camping gear, or even a child seat. The smart LCD display provides real-time analytics, while Bluetooth-enabled app connectivity offers GPS tracking, theft prevention, and ride customization. This bike also includes 5 riding modes and a 7-speed gear system, allowing you to tailor your ride to your preference. While this bike is packed with premium features, its heavier build and higher price point may not suit everyone. The pros include its unmatched range, powerful motor, and cutting-edge technology, while the cons are its weight and longer charging time compared to smaller e-bikes. If you're looking for the ultimate blend of performance, durability, and tech, the Edikani 26-inch electric bike is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.